Munchkins, how are you all? Yes, guess what time is it? It is rhyme time. And today I've got a rhyme of two little cute birdies. The name of one of the birdie is Paul and the name of other birdie is Peter. And do you know, these two little birdies used to come at my balcony daily. And they used to chirp around and they used to look so nice and cute. I've made a lovely rhyme on them. So, do you want to listen? But you have to sing the rhyme with me. Then only we are going to enjoy it. Okay, let's start. Two little dicky birds sat upon a wall. Two little dicky birds sat upon a wall. One named Peter, other named Paul. One named Peter, other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Now imagine, children, this is Peter and this is Paul. I know you have a very colorful imagination. Okay, and these two birdies are sitting on a wall. That's right. Let's start. Two little dicky birds sat upon a wall. Two little dicky birds sat upon a wall. One named Peter, other named Paul. One named Peter, other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. So, Peter and Paul are there with you. Now you can play with them.